Alright, for context, I've made 29 different videos of me fixing up this bike that I bought from a homeless guy for $20. Now that I finished up the bike, I finally found him after a year. I know where he works, and today we're gonna go and surprise him with this new bike. I've been looking forward to this day for a long time. I've been working on this bike for almost a year, and I'm really excited and scared and you know, I'm curious on what he's gonna say. I hope he lets me record it. I'll be respectful if he doesn't, but I really hope he enjoys this gift. I'm super excited. This is the first thing I ever give away in my life, actually. I spent almost $600 on this stupid bike, and I hope he enjoys it. All right, update. I got the motorcycle on the car, or in the truck, and I had a little bit of issue. I almost started it while trying to push it up there. It's kind of heavy. I got it ratchet strapped down, and now, well, I have about 40 minutes, and I'm gonna have to go look for the homeless man. I don't even know if this is the correct homeless guy. The guy at 7-Eleven told me it looks like him. Hopefully it's the same guy. I think I'll be able to recognize it. I hope I don't give it to the wrong person. That would kind of suck. I just received a text message that he's here, or he's in the gas station. So let's go find him. I am so excited. I don't know why. This has probably been one of my most successful TikTok series of just fixing this little bike that I was never planning to do anything with, but I'm excited. It's been like a year, so let's go give this bike away. I fixed it up. You remember that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah, I fixed it up.
You did a good job on it.
I took it apart.
Yeah.
I painted it. I rebuilt the whole engine. I put all new wiring in it,
Really?
and I wanted to give it back to you.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, man.
I spent like $600 on it almost.
Really?
Yeah. And
Damn. I sold you the motorcycle.
yeah,
I
under
remember.
that bridge
Under
over
the
there.
bridge one day.
Yeah.
I was tired of pushing it.
Yeah. I didn't know anything about
Brother,
bikes.
man. Damn,
Yeah.
I didn't know you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Hey.
So let's get it out.
It's not something I never would have expected in my wildest dreams, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, let me throw this in the trash.
Okay. Yeah. Definitely.
It's been a lot of money, dude. I paid $20 for it. I was like, man, I'm so tired of pushing it. Oh, that's a brake? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was good. Rock, bro. Yeah, I love it.
Great. It's good.
Yeah.
So I want to know your story, what you plan on doing with the bike. Like, you can do whatever you want. You can sell it.
Oh, I plan on keeping it at this point. I like to keep it.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I don't know if it's legal, but I'm gonna see if I can make it street legal. You know, spend a lot of money and getting a lot of time restoring it to give it back to me. I feel like I would be a fool to sell it.
If you need the money, or like,
I don't though. I don't need the money because I don't have any money now, of course, but I'm used to living at this level right now, and so I do okay. I have a dog. I take care of my dog, and down by the river, and I came into some inheritance money recently. My mother passed about a few months ago, and so I'm going to come into some inheritance money. So, and so that's when I'll probably try to get up off the street, and maybe I'm going to invest in some landscape equipment and a truck, and maybe start landscaping again. Since I won't be, and I really don't feel homeless. Fort Worth is my home. You know, and I'm houseless, but you know, I'm substandard. I live substandard.
yeah.
But yeah, I would like to change that soon. My hustles are honest. I dumpster dive. I dumpster dive, and I try not to panhandle. I don't like to beg or panhandle. motorcycle because I got this honest lick here.
Yeah.
It's an honest job, you know. It is.
What's the story behind the bike? Because when I posted videos on it, people are like,
a good friend of mine.
Yeah.
Lives on the north side, and he had it in the back of his work truck.
Yeah.
Right.
That's what you told me.
And I bought it for $20.
Yeah.
And I was just getting my money back. When I saw you, it was a hot day. I remember it was hot.
Yeah.
And I was just tired of pushing it because I've been pushing the north side. I pushed it all the way from the north side to the bridge down here. I was pushing it home. I lived down by the river that way. And I was like, man, it's hot. I'm going to see if I can sell it. Really?
Like the whole series has millions of views.
Really?
Yeah. People.
What?
Yeah.
Notable enough to start looking for the homeless man.
Uh,
Now you're probably wondering, how am I going to find? Worked at a 7-Eleven nearby.
Yeah.
So the hunt began. I stopped by all the 7-Elevens within the area and asked if they knew this homeless man. And this is where I got the tip that changed my life. Follow to find the homeless man.
That's
yeah,
cool, man.
Yeah. So
That's way cool, man.
yeah, like 29 videos.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I want to watch some of them.
Yeah.
I do that at the library all the time. I was
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have them on YouTube. I have them on
Really?
all that. Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out, dude.
Yeah.
That's way cool. I watch those videos all the time. I always like the short ones, you know.
Yeah.
TikTok, huh?
TikTok. Yeah.
All right. I don't rob or hurt people, and I'd give anybody a shirt off my back if they asked for it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm kind of that kind of guy.
Yeah.
And I was the only one that ever got in trouble with my family.
Oh.
My family's been pretty good. I got a good family that had real good parents.
Yeah.
But despite what I've done and choices I've made, but here late in life, I'm enjoying life.
That's good.
My pursuit of happiness. It's not really about money with me. It's
To do whatever you want with it.
Thanks, man.
If you need to sell it, if you want to sell it, you
I
know.
know, yeah. I know.
You
I know.
can.
Thank you, man. No strings attached. In other words.
Yeah. It's
Thank you,
it's
man.
yours now.
Thank you very much.
You do whatever.
Y'all rock.
Yeah.
You really are. Y'all are some cool people, man.
Thank you.
So I just gave up on it. So,
Well,
thank you, man, for fulfilling a dream of mine.
Oh,
You did.
Really?
Yeah.
I just gave the motorcycle back to the homeless guy. I can't explain the feeling right now. It was kind of funny. I don't know if I caught it on camera. Hopefully I did. But at one point he's all like, "Are you a Christian?" I was like, I told him they're cool and all, but I mean, I'm not. My mom's like Catholic. I don't know if that makes me Christian, but I don't really practice religion that much. But I was like, they're cool and all, but like, no, not really. And he was kind of confused, like, why are you doing this? And I can't believe I found him. And we talked about it again. And, you know, he was telling me how he bought it that day from one of his buddies, and he pushed it all the way from the other side of town. And he was really tired of pushing it when he found me. And he really loved it. Wow, I made that guy's day. I've never given anything away. This feels really, really cool. I don't know how to explain it. It was so fun. It was so cool. I can't wait to give away more cars and give away more things. Hopefully this can grow into something huge one day. Man, I've never felt like that before. It's a different type of feeling. I've never given anything really away. I've never given anything to anyone. I think what makes this special is because it's been like a year. I've been doing this for a year. Making no attempts to try to find the guy. I had no idea where he'd be. And today, after a year of working on this project, I found the homeless guy. I went to give it to him. He loved it. Wow. This is great.